Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can cite reference an article or image from the Groove Music resource from the University of Oxford Press collection. Using the previous video's example, on the 77 article, just below the search engine, you will find a small menu of icons. The pen icon happens to be the cite icon. When you click on that, a pop-up menu should appear on the middle of the screen. Currently, you will find the citation is available in APA format. If you click on APA, a drop-down menu will appear giving you two further options to choose from, MLA and Chicago. Once you click on the citation style you wish to use, for example, Chicago, the citation will change automatically underneath. And then finally, just highlight the citation and then simply copy and paste it into your assignment.